Today we're going to fill some more beds, and that's what's going on at Noah's house. Whew, hey guys, what's happening? I'm winded. Spinning you around, show you what's going on. So this is tall grass that grows out front, and I just chopped it down. I leave it up all winter for bugs and stuff to hide in. So in that one, there were some leaves and some gook on top of cardboard, a bunch of sticks and larger sticks and not logs, but bigger stuff. And then I put a good layer of that. This is extra because I think it's going to be too much to put it all in there, so I put some on here. And cleaning up today, see, I got all those leaves and everything on those beds. Well, I'm gonna rake all those leaves off. I'm gonna get those all together, and I'm gonna put another layer of that on. Then I think I'm gonna put a layer of the wood chip on, and then when I put the topsoil on, everything should compress down. And I've been jumping up and down on it. Oh, I've been doing so much stuff, I'm out of breath, I'm getting old. But I'll bring it back and show you a little bit more progress, but I gotta get raking. Check it out. These are the bee houses I put in a couple years ago. Never took them down because nothing ever happened. I just kind of left them up there. And now, this year, it's the first time ever, we got bees. Let's go over here. Take a look at these ones. Okay, you see that? I got bees in my bee houses. That's awesome. So, just a quick little snippet on this gardening video, what it's going to be. Worked on the beds the other day. Got a lot of leaves and broken down material off of other beds that I had. Film filled up. Oh, I got a bunch of little trees down. So we picked one, we chopped it up, we put it in. And I'll spin you around. I'll show you where I'm at now. I'm getting ready to put a nice little layer of some wood chips on there. Check this out. Oh, look at that. There's some bigger logs. Underneath this one is just cardboard. And this leaf had some of those grasses that I cut down. Here was a bunch of sticks, smaller, not that big. And a bunch of those, cardboard, a bunch of that grass, a bunch of these leaves that I was pulling off the beds. And there was just basically sticks on top of cardboard, and I think maybe some leaves in there too, a little bit. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and I'm gonna get a nice layer of some wood chips on these, and once I get that, I just need to get me some topsoil, put it on, and amend it with some good compost on top. Well, that's the progress of the beds. It is April 3rd, I think. So we're running out of time, gotta get everything together. We already have a bunch of stuff planted. It is a beautiful day. I am in short sleeves, the first time in 2023. So I'll bring it back and show you a little bit when we get some chips on there. We'll see how it looks. We got my pickup all nice and full of topsoil. I went and just got that about a half an hour ago. So we're gonna get these, and I like to get them up to about like that rim right there, and on all of them. If I get them to that rim, kind of that first bump out right there, I think that'll leave a good about 5 or 6 inches of good compost I'm going to put on top, and that's what we're going to actually be planting into. So I'll bring it back when I get a little bit more stuff together. I don't know if the one truckload's going to do it. May have to get another one. I don't know. Whew, but got to get them ready. It's warm out. Got seeds going. I got things all over the place, and before you know it, it'll be 80 degrees, and this will be hopefully full of tomato plants. So give me a second and we'll see how it goes. Whew, okay. Ended up my pickup truck load. Did 2 of the beds, and I had to go get half scoop. Which I do believe I'm buying this dirt at Cubic Yards. I'm gonna leave a link down below to the landscaping supply place that I use. So if you're in Western Pennsylvania, run a North for Sales area, definitely give these guys a try. Oh, I got their name in there. I don't want to say the wrong name, so I'm not say it now. But I'll show you. I'm watering some stuff in right now. So we got that. Now I want this to get filled up and all the water to soak down. These two beds already been watered in. I want them to handle as much water as they can right now. Sink down, get down to the bottom, getting all the stuff that I filled them up with. The logs, the leaves, the grasses, all the nasty stuff that's down in there. I did put some blood and bone in as I went on. I put a couple scoops here and there just to mix up in that dirt, just to give it a little something, something. Whew. So now I'll top it off with the good stuff. And I probably have enough stuff to top off one bed. But they do have mushroom manure in at the landscape supply place that I use. Once again, gonna leave their link down below. I don't know if I'm gonna top anything off today. I'm getting kind of tired. That was a lot of shoveling, a lot of dirt. But better than last year's video. Leave a link to that one up here, a card, where I had to do it bucket at a time. Wait, I'm gonna grab that hose because it is filling up a lot. But I'll bring it back and I'll show you when we're getting the good stuff on top. Oh man, it's a good day though. Whew, okay, now we're getting the good stuff. I'm gonna flip you around. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about what I'm putting on here. It's probably just gonna be this bed because I don't have enough. Let me show you. So this right here is, oh my goodness, honey. This is a mix of homemade compost that I made all over last year, last winter, last summer, and the leaf compost, leaf mold, whatever you want to call it. I scooped it out. You can see that in a video. Maybe I'll leave a link to that, a card, a lot of cards in this. And I have about, oh, sorry, we'll flip you around, get you dizzy. I have some wood chip that I piled up. It's got to be going on 3 years old. And I wanted to put some structure in because some of the beds that I've been filling, I'm messing with them. It's real silty, like clumpy. So I wanted some structure, some something in there. So I have 3-year-old rotted down wood chip, and I put a few shovelfuls in this wheelbarrow. It's mostly homemade compost, a couple shovelfuls of the leaf mold, leaf compost I made. I mixed it up as good as I can, a wheelbarrow, and that's what I'm putting on this bed. I'm going to show you that again. And there you go. That's the good stuff. And I'm going to pile this up high, and that way it's going to sink. What are you going to do? Now, right here and right here, I'm thinking this one right here is going to be all mushroom manure, and that one right there is going to be a good compost that I buy from a local place. I'm going to leave a link to them below. Ag something or other in Pittsburgh. Really good stuff. Really, it's great. I've been using it a lot. There's Lou. She's out. She's helping. But hey, that's what I'm going to do. But I'm going to get the rest of these filled up. I'm probably going to end that little video here. I got to stitch all these together from building them to filled them and filled them. What's filled them? But that's what I'm doing now. Like I said, I'm thinking this is going to be the tomato, what do I call it? Tomato forest this year. I'm going to maybe get some cow panels. I got to build a trellis. But, it's a hard day. It's a tough day. But it's looking good. Everything's filling up. Those are the new beds, new Vego garden beds for 2023. This is kind of how I have them going. Please like, subscribe, follow along. Let's see what happens in these beds. Let's see if some peppers and tomatoes, grow really good in there. Well, hey, I'm Noah from the garden. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.